Be beautiful. Hydration. This is the first part of our skin-friendly habits series. The purpose of these videos is to share the essential steps and also plenty of tips and tricks that will help you keep your skin and your life as beautiful as possible. Even if you already know some of these things, these videos can hopefully act as a friendly and gentle reminder to take care of yourself. As with many other things, consistency is the key. Hydration is incredibly important for your entire body and at the end of the day even for your soul. Why is water so important? Sufficient hydration is one of the key ingredients when it comes to beautiful, glowy, and plump skin. Essentially an internal moisturizer. Skin is your largest organ and just like any other organ it needs sufficient water. Water improves circulation and prevents flaky and dry skin. It can even prevent wrinkles. 6 useful tips to drink more water. 1. Use a tracker. Some people are very goal-oriented and motivated by badges, awards, or simply seeing their progress jolted down on a piece of paper. You can use an old-school method of tallying marks or use one of the many habit tracking apps. 2. Flavor your water. We all know sugary drinks aren't good for us. But if you are having trouble transitioning to just water, maybe try adding some flavor. Water with fruit is surprisingly delicious and slightly sweet. Just enough to satisfy your craving. You can add lemons, limes, mint, or even berries. 3. A reminder. You can use an alarm, an app, or even a friend. Setting a reminder is a great step if you want to drink more water but tend to forget, actually do it. Regular reminders will help you establish a healthy routine, which after a while, will make it feel almost like a reflex. A part of your subconscious thoughts. 4. Eat your water. As funny as this one might sound, it's really effective and simple to do. Soups, stews, most vegetables, and fruits are all foods or meals that contain a lot of water. Not only are they good in that respect, but they also fill you up and are usually jam-packed with vitamins and minerals that make your skin truly glow. 5. Don't force it. If you are overly ambitious and chug down jugs of water after reading this article, you won't achieve the desired effect, you might even feel sick. If you're struggling with your water intake, it might be a better idea to start by simply pouring yourself a glass of water and sipping on it. You can then refill it every 1 to 2 hours and it will never seem like a chore again. 6. Use bad habits to your advantage. If you can't live without a consistent dose of caffeine, or if you drink alcohol on a fairly regular basis, you can somewhat offset some of the negative effects by simply drinking a glass of refreshing water with your other beverage of choice. Not only will your skin look better, but bad hangovers will also be a thing of the past. Thank you for watching. Be beautiful.